So the SoulBot Saturday Design Squad has two platforms that we use for coding. The first is the one that I'm working on right here, which is called Bitsbox. It was developed by two engineers from Google, and they developed it for their children. And it's a really intuitive, really clean platform that I like because it gives you immediate results. So you put in the line, fill, parking lot, you hit the green arrow, the parking lot shows up. So it really builds confidence for young coders. And then it also has a large library of variables as far as the different backgrounds, the different objects, the colors, and even the commands that you can apply to your different apps that you build on the platform. So this is what we start our users, our young squad members with, to build up their capacity for just learning the basics around coding, the basic logic, the basic flow of how decisions are made and how things are applied, and they enjoy it. Then what we move to is Microbit, which is actually a computer on a chip that gets attached via USB, and it has its own platform that you can use to code with that's similar to Scratch. And in here I've set up basically a quick Wakanda Forever. And the reason I like this platform is you go from using a platform where you're seeing everything on screen to where you're coding and then you get results on an object that's separate from the device on which you coded it. So once we finish putting in our code, Wakanda Forever, I can detach this and basically it's going to run and give you that on the screen. So now it pops up with Wakanda Forever. So that gives students the same type of feedback, for what they're working on. And then it's another platform, so that expands their vocabulary. It expands the command sets and the logic that they learn around coding. And these are things that are transferable. They can take this home and work on it. Bitsbox, as long as you have a connection to the internet, you can work on it. And that gives us a beautiful foundation upon which we can then build towards working with more complicated platforms as they get older.